Welcome back to the channel. So do me a favor and subscribe. I'm kind of stuck on 99 subscribers, so let's get that 100 subscriber. Thank you. And let's unbox some more hats. I have some very nice pieces here, some brands I have not owned before, and on average the price for these per hat was about 19 euros, which is extremely low. So I don't know if I said this before in my previous hats videos, but I really like wearing hats. It's a nice way to add another accessory to your outfit. If you want to see a head reveal, do me a favor and subscribe. 10,000 subscribers, I'll do a head reveal. Let's get into it. With this Fila strap back, very nice colorway, nothing really on the back. I really like this print and small 3D embroidery. Yeah, this is one of those hats with no reinforcements on the forehead. Okay, so check this out. Not bad. I really like it. So I wanted an orange hat to match my orange sneakers, and I still want an orange hat because these assholes sent me a coral hat. This is clearly not orange, unless you're colorblind, but it's okay because the price was extremely low, I guess, so it doesn't really matter. Tommy Hilfiger strap back. Alright, so of course, not bad. Moving right along with this really nice piece, a first for me. I never owned this brand before. Really nice embroidery on the forehead, cardboard label. Depuis 1907. Nothing really on the back. Rossignol, from what I know, it's a brand that does rollerblades, skis and sporting equipment. I really wanted another gray hat. Okay, so check this out. A bit on the big side for my liking. And the second to last one, another new brand for me. A very nice cream and brown trucker hat. Quiksilver, maybe you know, maybe you don't. They do surfing equipment and things like that. Very nice embroidery here. Actually, this is woven, you know, that method of making labels. Yo, I think this is my new favorite hat. Let's continue. All right, so the last hat. Look at this. I really like this hat a lot. A cream colorway with some speckles in it. Very nice embroidered and woven logo here on the front. This is a very nice touch with the black Velcro strap. And it has some writing on the inside. So let's see how this fits. Okay, so that's kind of the end of the video. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. I might do a hat collection next, but that's going to take a while because I'm pretty sure I have about 100 hats now. Anyway, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.